Today, we're welding in some engine mounts.
3, 2, 1.
Here we go!
All right, today's been a hectic day. The guy that's gonna be doing the welding just pulled up. He's gonna be getting set up here. I wanted to quickly show you, I positioned the engine mounts for him already. We've already got everything cleaned. Obviously, we gotta position them a little bit better to the end, but I just got them clamped in. And I will put up a diagram, probably right about now, that kind of outlines exactly how they're supposed to be placed, because that's been a challenge to figure out off of the videos that we've seen. So I'll make a better diagram for everybody to have. And yeah, I'm gonna go talk to him and we're gonna get this process going. All right, we're outside right now. Jim from GR Mobile Welding and Fabrication just showed up at my house. You can check out right over here. You can see his awesome rig that he has right here. He's gonna be doing stick welding to get everything attached to the frame. And yeah, we're gonna sit here and record. He's okay with me recording and promoting his company. So I got some business cards right here, so I'll put some information right on the screen right now of his business, because he specializes on working on Jeeps. He's done a whole bunch of frame repairs and stuff like that. So let's get to this.
Just drag that into the garage.
Yep.
Up. Yes. There you go.
Yeah, you got enough.
Okay.
Your own fabrication, you can have your own setup.
Yeah.
Are you ready to see somebody's need for speed? I can put our wings in the wind faster than you could ever believe. Are you ready to rock? Fun that don't ever stop. We are on a crash course of freedom that's running on as long as we want. Drive fast, let go. Hands up, wind blows. Soundtrack, stone cold. Sit back and turn it up, now here we go. Calling all my friends for the homeless. Revving up the engines, we ain't going nowhere soon. Fast cars and wild hearts, a better life. Heading to the top, you'll see us. Trying to be the best, no secret. Never touch the brakes to keep it. Fast cars and wild hearts, a better life. Are you ready to move? Now that we got you loose, oh, I can hear the birds waking early to saying that it's never too soon. So are you ready to rock? Well, don't ever stop. We are on a crash course of freedom and we can go as long as we want.
All right, Jim just got done finished. We got everything packed up. He's off on his way. He's a great guy. So he's been doing this forever, and yeah, he enjoyed you know, I had everything set up and prepped for him, ready to go. So even though everything was aligned, he just had to go in there and straight weld. So that worked out really well. So I learned a little bit more about his process that he used. So basically he lays a initial bead down and then cleans it up, then puts another bead over it for improved strength. And yeah, so this is what we got. Now the question is, did I align them properly? So I did verify multiple times that it was aligned. I even had my wife come out here and say, okay, this is the documentation I had. Obviously I'm following Todd's videos on how to align them properly. And yeah, so I went over that a couple times. Jen went over it a few times. And you know, a little bit in the beginning of this video, I posted a picture of the alignment of how it's supposed to look. So let's hope that I get everything aligned properly. So what I'm going to do now is I'm actually going to clean them off real quick with some brake cleaner, just to make sure there's any oil and stuff like that off them. And then I'm going to hit them with some primer to make sure nothing starts rusting or anything like that. So let's get to that. All right, motor mounts are sprayed down with the initial coat. I'm gonna go back through and clean up the whole frame at some point and spray it all down also before the engine goes back in. But right now, I just wanted to make sure something was on there. And yeah, I got a few runs in the paint, but hey, it's an engine mount. Nobody's gonna see it anyways. I just wanted to get it sprayed while it was still somewhat warm in here. So yeah, I think that's the video for today. I guess if you wanted to think about the trajectory of this project, everything so far has just been removing, and doing a lot of ordering and research. I guess you could say this is an official part where we start to install. So, all right, more videos to come. I enjoyed everybody watching. We're almost to 100 subscribers. Almost. 99 right now. All right, talk to you guys later. Peace.